what is your reply to the leadership issue and the claim that you're pointing fingers? I think naging issue yung sa quarantine, naging issue yung sa airlines, etc.
Yeah. Well, first of all, let me put it in its proper context. We were very, very busy doing, preparing for the recommendation to impose a travel ban
Yeah.
to travelers and persons from China. Okay, that needed time because I needed to convene the interagency task force on emerging infectious disease. So the operational issues kasi, I left it to my people to do these things because they're supposed to be the masters.
Yeah.
Yung context kasi nito, nag-evolve yung situation.
Yeah.
I have to be, as the head, as the captain of the ship, I had to prioritize. And to me, the travel ban was a priority. So while we were doing that, convening
but
meetings...
was it always a priority for you? Because, I mean, we're friends, but I've also criticized you for that. That, you're not doing it fast enough. Members of Congress were saying you're not doing it fast enough. What kept you from imposing the travel ban automatically? Because I think what triggered it was when you said, kasi we also have to be, considerate, and we should also consider what China's reaction will be, etc.
To that,
And
I do not deny that.
Yeah, you
I
got
took
beaten
the
up
flak.
for that.
Yeah, I understand that.
Yeah.
But in the end, we did recommend whether the timing was rather delayed.
Yeah.
I leave that to people who have made a judgment.
Was it your call alone, or
No, I couldn't-
are you
couldn't-
part of a cluster na pare wag kang magbibitaw na hindi namin alam, or something like that? Because people were wondering, in a situation as tense as that, only one guy has to be in charge and he has to act, as you pointed out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But remember, Sito,
Oh.
earlier I told you, I've always been in constant communication with the WHO.
Okay,
The WHO, I think that was third week of January,
Yeah.
did not even declare a global health emergency on this evolving novel coronavirus.
Yeah.
The second week, they had to reconvene because they wanted to see the developments,
Yeah.
okay? Second week, they still did not.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
true.
I think
That's very true.
That's And I was
In fact, they were already being criticized.
Yes,
Of,
exactly.
holding back the horse.
yeah,
So-
but kasi ako naman, I had to have faith in the WHO because it was the bridge between us and what is happening on the ground in Wuhan City and with the Chinese Ministry of Health.
Yeah.
Until I think January. In fact, nauna pa yung travel ban na recommendation namin ng IITF ahead of when WHO finally declared public health emergency of international concern on the novel coronavirus. And yet, they did not recommend travel restrictions, trade
but
and travel.
what did this all teach you? Because I've been watching you, watching all the other countries, and all the other countries just said, forget that. We're going to take action in the interest of public health.
Let me clarify that.
Yeah.
Yes, you're right. I think Singapore, US,
Australia was 10 days ahead of us.
Yeah, Australia, they did selective travel restriction.
Yeah.
Selective.
Yeah.
So, Wuhan City, Hubei.
Yeah.
Okay. So, tayo, eventually, we made it the whole of China.
Yeah.
And at about the same time, Singapore also leveled up
Yeah.
the restriction to include all of China. Okay? So, hindi naman tayo ganun talaga kahuli. It's
Yeah.
just that I wanted more information.
Yeah, but
And-
but did that teach you a lesson na parang, okay, I'm trusting the World Health Organization, but these guys are worse than a bureaucracy. Should you have a...
Yeah, it's a lesson learned.
Yeah.
To be frank about it.
Yeah.
So it's something that you cannot bet on. That you need to really have other sources of information for more balanced guidance as to the next steps that ought to be done to respond.